Vested Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Vested is a robo-advisor designed specifically for international investors looking to access U.S. stocks and ETFs with ease. It eliminates the complexity of cross-border investing by providing a seamless, commission-free platform tailored for individuals outside the U.S. The platform offers pre-built portfolios, or vests, curated by experts, as well as the flexibility to invest in individual stocks. With fractional investing, users can buy into high-priced stocks with as little as $1, making it accessible to beginners and small-scale investors. Vested also provides a transparent fee structure. While individual trades are commission-free, premium services like Vested Premium and advisory fees apply for certain features. One of its biggest advantages is simplicity. The user interface is clean, easy to navigate, and optimized for investors who may not be familiar with the complexities of U.S. markets. Vested handles the regulatory and tax-related aspects, ensuring a hassle-free experience. For those seeking automation, Vested's expert-curated portfolios allow users to diversify with minimal effort, while active traders can pick and choose stocks themselves. The platform also provides educational content to help users make informed decisions. However, Vested has its drawbacks. It primarily caters to investors outside the U.S., meaning it lacks support for U.S. residents. Additionally, while it offers commission-free trades, currency conversion fees and withdrawal charges can add up. Another limitation is the relatively small number of stocks available compared to major U.S. brokers. Customer support is decent, but not as robust as top-tier trading platforms. So, who is Vested for? If you're a non-U.S. investor looking for an easy way to invest in U.S. markets without dealing with complex paperwork, Vested is a great option. It's best suited for long-term investors and those who prefer expert-managed portfolios. However, if you want access to advanced trading tools or a wider selection of stocks, you might find it limiting. Final verdict: Vested makes U.S. investing accessible, simple, and beginner-friendly, but be mindful of the extra fees and limited stock selection. If you prioritize ease of use over extensive features, it's worth considering.